So hi everyone. Model Context Protocol, that is MCP, is becoming quite popular nowadays, and I am bringing you yet another tutorial on MCP. This time I would be connecting Figma, the tool for graphic designers and UI UX designers to design UIs, that you can connect with Claude AI and can generate designs similarly. So let's get started. Before I jump on to how to connect Figma to Claude AI using Figma MCP, I'll be first giving you a demonstration on how it works. So this is a basic design, some random design I have created for myself. Please don't judge me on my drawing styles. So first of all, once you have created a new sheet and did some designing, go to share and click on this copy dev mode link for this particular design that you have got. Now we will be switching to Claude AI, and here you can see that under the hammer there are two tools present. One is download Figma images and get Figma data. So I'll be asking you to design a similar HTML page, whatever I've designed on Figma, and let's see how it works. Generate a similar design, and then you need to provide the URL to your Figma sheet. This is important. You need to provide your Figma sheet design as well. So do remember this to use these tools. As you can see, I just allowed one of the tools to access it, and here you can see that I can see the basic design is present. Now Claude has started coding that. Enhanced MCP, it has modified certain things, but it is able to capture the gist. So I think now you would have understood what I'm trying to achieve here. Given the Figma designing, you can now generate your UIs straight away. So how I did this, let me show you that now, the entire tutorial how to connect Figma to Claude AI. So first of all, you need to log into your Figma account. As you can see, you should be able to land on such a page, that is a basic page. Then go to your profile on top left, just follow my cursor, and here you can go to settings now. Once you go to settings, you need to go to security, and in security, there is a personal access token that you need to generate for yourself. And here is a button to generate it, generate new token. As you can see, I have recently created a new token MCP. So this would be a token that would be generated for you. You need to copy that. Once you are done, rest of the part is quite easy, as we did for previous videos as well. You need to now update Claude's config.json file. Now as you can see, this is the claude.json file that I've opened for myself. If you don't know how to open it, just go to, on the top left, go to files, go to settings, go to developer section, and here edit config. Once you come to edit config, claude desktop.config, you need to open to make the necessary changes. Once you land here, you need to add this particular config to claude config.json. Here you can see that we're adding frame link Figma MCP server. Command is cmd arguments /c npx Figma developer MCP. Here you need to provide your API key. Do remember that that API key that we generated in the previous step. And then the last parameter pass is stdio. Once done, just save this and then go to your task manager and close Claude AI by using end task completely. Don't just do a cross on the app. You need to close it from task manager. Once done, once you relaunch it again, you should be able to see these two tools and any other tool that comes up in the future. So right now these are the two tools visible to us, but multiple new tools would be available soon. So this is how you can connect Figma to Claude AI using Figma MCP. Thank you so much. I hope you try this out.